open the wrapping, but I won't look in the box. Get it, Bobo. Get it.
What is it?
You couldn't see it.
What is it? Get it.
Get it, Bobo. He's amazing.
Help him, Abby. Get it. Get it, Abs. Get the present.
Abby.
She just eats the paper.
She actually does eat paper. Abby.
Did you get it? What is it?
Abby.
Get the present.
Eat it. Give it back to me.
Yay.
He's scratching at it. He does whatever he has to do to get it off there.
But you can't.
You did it. Oh, there's still paper left.
Turn it over so you can get the paper off the bottom. Good job, Bobo.
There's no more paper.
He did it.
This is the present because I want to open it.
Oh.